Okay, here's another one on percentages. This time it's percentages or percentage increase and decrease. Now, this is where we are given a percentage um, from an original number and we have to find out what the new value is. For example, if we've got fish, a big bucket load full of fish, and it costs £20, and all of a sudden someone comes along and said, oh, 3% increase. So we need to find out what the new price is after 3% has been added on. So we go back to a previous lesson where we're finding a percentage of a number. So we need to find 3% of 20. Once we've got that, we just add it on. Yeah, so 3% times 20, and always, as calculators, 3 divided by 100 times 20 is 0.6, is 0.6. Now what's that? 0.6. That is 60p. Yeah, 60p. 10% of that is £2, 1% of that is 20 pence, 3% of that is 60 pence. So we need to add these two numbers together. So the new price will be £20 and 60 pence after a 3% increase. And it doesn't matter what the numbers are, what the percentage increase or later on decrease is, it's exactly the same method. So we've got something, say there's a sofa, yeah, a sofa for sale in the shop, and there's a 7% increase. What's the new price? So we find 7% of 400. What's that going to be? 28, I think. Yeah, 7 divided by 100 times 400 is indeed £28. And to find out what the new price is, we do the 400 plus the 28, which is £428. Yep. Doesn't matter if that's 7.3%, we just put 7.3 there. Doesn't matter what that number is, what the percentage rate is, it's always the same. They quite often like to do this. Yeah, Billy gets £9.50 an hour. He's worked so hard that his boss gives him a, well, let's imagine this, yeah, 12% pay rise. That's not going to happen, is it, anytime soon? So Billy gets a 12% pay rise. What's his new pay? So we're going to do 12% of £9.50 and find out what that is. So 12 divided by 100 times 9.5, and that equals £1, £1 and 14 pence. So his new money is going to be £9.50 plus £1.14, and that equals £10 and 64 pence. Yep. So there's a percentage increase. Percentage decrease is pretty much exactly the same, apart from that last bit where we just subtract. Yeah. Right. So or what does it call it? There's a jacket. The jacket in the shop, and it's priced at £45. Now they've got a sale on, and there's 10% off. Yeah, it can be presented to you in all sorts of different ways. This is just a decrease. So find 10% are £45, which we all know that 10% you divide by 10, so you can just do £4.50 straight away, or go through the calculator. 10 divided by 100 times 45. So £4.50. So what is it now? So we've got £45, and this time we take away £4.50. We can't do that, so we'll have 415040. So new price, £40.50. It's a subtraction. A decrease is a subtraction. An increase is an addition. One more decrease example. Oh, yeah. Petrol is now you'll get to see how old this is in the future. You say petrol? How much? £1.98 a litre. Yeah. Now the government come up with an idea and say, I know what we're going to do to help everybody out. We're going to do a 15% reduction. I can dream. Leave me to it. Yeah. So what's the new price? Okay. So we find out first of all what 15% of £1.98 is, which is going to be 15 divided by 100 times 1.98, and that is going to be 29. Oh, it comes up as 0.297. Yeah. Now remember, this is pounds, so to change pounds, I've multiplied by 100, so it'll be 29.7 pence. Okay, 29.7 pence. And to find out what we need, £1.98 minus, now go be careful with this, 0.297. Going to keep it all in pounds, yeah, and that will tell us what the new price is. So £1.98 minus 0.297 of a pound, and that equals £1.68, and there's a 3 on the end, and I ignore that. So the new price after a 15% reduction is £1.68. Excuse me. So let's have a look at some examples that they want to give us out of this book. Right, Jim earns £21,000 a year. He's given a pay rise of 2%. How much will Jim earn after his pay rise? So, 2% of £21,000. So 2 divided by 100 times 21,000 equals £420. So to find out the pay rise, we do 21,000 plus 420, and the new money is £21,420. A company made a profit of 30,000. That's it. This year, its profits have increased by 5%. How much did they make this year? So find 5% of £35,000. 5 divided by 100 times 35, 1, 2, 3, is 1750. And to find out how much they made this year, we add the two together. So 35,000 plus 1750 is 0.5763 pounds. Last year, a florist took orders from 26,000 customers. This year's the orders increased by 75.2%. How many customers place an order this year? So let's find out what 75.2% is. 75.2% times 26,000 customers. So 72, oh, hang on, 75.2 divided by 100 times 26,000 is equal to 19552. So how many customers placed an order this year? Again, we add the two together. So 26000 plus 19552 is going to be 255. 9 and 6 are 15. Carry 1, 3, 4. Oh, that's not pounds, is it? Ooh, that's 45,552 customers. Okay, percentage increase. Let's have a look at some decrease ones now. So don't forget, you can always pause, have a go, and then see how close we get. See if we get the same answer. Okay, after the January sales, a retail outlet reduces the number of items with a discount, 40%. During the sale, 120 products had a discount on them. How many products have a discount on them now? So we've got to, they've reduced this number, 120, by 40%. We've got to find out what the new number is. So it's more difficult. The more words you have, the more you have to dig in and try and find out what to do. So let's find out what 40% of 120 is. So 40 divided by 100 times 120 is 48. So then to find out what it is, remember it's a subtraction. So we do 120 take away 48 is 72. Right, last year, Isla, I guess that's Isla, ran a 10k race in 60 minutes. She completed it 5% faster this year. How long did it take to run the 10k race this year? So, the 10k is numbers we're not going to use in any calculations. It's 60 minutes, that's the important bit. So we need to reduce 60 minutes by 5%. So 5% of 60 equals 5 divided by 100 times 60 is 3. 3 minutes quicker. So 60 take away 3 equals 57 minutes. Yeah. How long did it take? 57 minutes. So she's getting better. She's getting better. Right, last month Dave used 16 gig of data on his mobile phone. This month he used 31.25 less. How much did he use this month? Okay, so we find 31.25. Don't be frightened of the decimals. It's all exactly the same. Times 16. So 31.25 divided by 100 times 16 is 5. Oh, that worked out nice. See what I said earlier on in another video about how when they think about the questions. So although this looks really awkward, the answer is a whole number. So they've worked backwards, haven't they? So what they've done is they've taken 5 of 16 and worked out what percentage that is to get 31.25. But we don't bother with that at the moment. So how much did he use this? So we do 16 last month, take away the 5 for this month, and equals 11 gigabytes. Okay, worksheet on this one, and I'll see you in the next one. More percentages, no doubt.